How many years are in a century? 100 years. Which continent is France in? Europe. Which shark is known for its hammer-shaped head? Hammerhead shark. How high do helicopters usually fly? Around 10,000 feet. Which element symbol is H? Hydrogen. How many days are in February during a leap year? 29. Which continent is Japan part of? Asia. Which vitamin helps improve vision? Vitamin A. Which animal is India's national animal? Tiger. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. What are the colors on the Italian flag? Green, white, red. How do penguins stay warm in cold places? By huddling together. What is the best time to sleep? At night. Which country invented pizza? Italy. How many teeth does a child usually have? 20. How many hours are there in 1 week? 168 hours. Which gas do humans need to breathe? Oxygen. Which animal breathes through gills? Fish. Which country has the largest land area? Russia. Which continent has the most people? Asia. When did World War II begin? 1939. Which metal is used in making wires? Copper. What event is called the marathon? 42-kilometer run. What is the total of a square's interior angles? 360 degrees. How many meals should people eat in a day? 3. On which continent is Egypt located? Africa. Which fruit is known as the queen of fruits? Mangosteen. In which city is the Eiffel Tower? Paris. What colors are the Olympic rings? Blue, yellow, black, green, red. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. Which country is known for sushi? Japan. Which of these energy sources is non-renewable? Coal. In which city is the Great Wall located near? Beijing. What is the capital city of Thailand? Bangkok. Where can you see penguins in the wild? Antarctica. What language do people speak in Japan? Japanese. Which bird is known for its colorful feathers? Peacock. Ballet is a form of which activity? Dance. How many hours are in one time zone difference? One. Which part of a plant absorbs water? Root. What tool is used to measure temperature? Thermometer. Which Asian country often faces typhoons? Philippines. What is South Korea's official currency? Won. What ingredient is mainly used to make guacamole? Avocado. How is Monday said in Spanish? Lunes. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. In which country can you visit the Colosseum? Italy. What kind of homes do birds build? Nests. Which nutrient gives quick energy? Carbohydrates. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Green. How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.